to J Academy. In this video, I will tell you about how to convert the audio file to the text. Okay. So first of all, you have to go to the terminal and install speech recognition module. So you have to write pip install speech recognition and enter. So once that is installed, you need to install one more module, that is pip install audio. Okay, so that is installed. So, but one more thing I want to tell you, because if you encounter any problem in installing the Pi audio file module, then in that case, please remember this command. First, you have to install pip install pipwin, okay, and you need to install this here itself in the terminal. So I'm writing here, and the second step is that you have to write pipwin install Pi audio. So if you encounter a problem in installing the Pi audio module, then only you need to do this. Otherwise, it's fine enough. You can just install pip install Pi audio. So we will enter the presentation mode so that the font size becomes big. Okay. And the first thing is that we need to import the module, that is speech recognition, right, as SR. And then we need to create an object of this. So R equal to SR dot recognizer. Next, we need to read the audio. Okay, we have to read the audio from the audio file. So with SR dot audio file, and then you need to give the name of the audio file. So the name is hello.wav as source. So once it's done, you have to write audio equal to r.record from the source. Now you have to do one thing. You have to send it to the Google for recognizing that. So for that, we are going to write text equal to r.recognize. So we are selecting Google now, and in that you need to send the audio. So once it's done, so you have to print the text. So I'm going to write print usage in the audio file so I'll give some dot format and the text inside that. So that's all. Let us try to run it. So I'll do right click and then run this. And there you go. So you said in the audio file, hello world, welcome to Python programming. So that's all, guys. This is a way you can transcribe any of your audio file to a text. So it has a second part that we have a live speech and we are going to record through, we'll speak in the microphone, and those words will be converted to text. So that will be the next video. Please watch that video also. And those who have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel and do write your comment and share this video. Thank you very much.